back to the Luxy Hair channel. My name's Eastiana and my favorite time of the year is officially here. It's the holiday season, and so if you have a lot of upcoming holiday parties like family functions, office parties, all of that, this video will help you get ready in a pinch. Especially if you are a lazy girl like me and don't want to spend that much time on your hair, I will share some of my favorite tips and tricks and hacks for holiday hairstyles. So let's get into it. So one of my favorite go-to holiday styles is long, luscious, wavy hair, but I know sometimes that can take a while to actually pull off and do. So what I like to do the day before or the night before a holiday event is I like to pre-curl my Luxy Hair Extensions. That way the next day they will already be ready to go. I can just pop them in and I will have instantly long wavy hair. So to make things so much easier and faster, I like to use the Luxy Deluxe Styler. So you just stick it on any surface in your bathroom, in your bedroom, like a mirror or a window, and this makes it so much easier to curl your Luxies and style them. And then when it's time to get ready, you can just take them off the styler and then just clip them into your hair and you are good to go. If I want to take my long wavy look one step further, because this is the holiday season after all and I do love a good sparkle, what you can do is add in a good hair accessory. So I love hair clips. So here I'm using my favorite Luxy hair clip and also a few pearl barrette hair clips, and I love this look. It's so cute and so easy to do. Another easy option is to opt for a heavy, big, beautiful padded headband. I love this trend, and here I have a couple options in my closet. It just transforms your regular waves to a little bit more of a holiday special occasion type look. So if you love to change up your look but you're also lazy or you don't have much time like me, a great way to totally transform your look is to add some clip-in bangs. This is like a no commitment, super easy way to transform your look. So I'll just clip them in like this. And then instead of leaving my hair down, I'll just take that extra step, which takes like 2 minutes. I'll do a really easy but really pretty half up, half down. So I'll just twist some side pieces, bring it to the back, and then attach it together with a pretty little hair clip. I think this hairstyle is so fun, especially when you show up to a holiday party with suddenly you have bangs and it's in this really cute, pretty holiday hairstyle. But again, you don't actually have to cut your hair. So that's what I love about this, and it's so quick and easy. One of my favorite holiday hack hairstyles that looks so much more complicated than it actually is this braided low bun. So all you have to do is clip together two clip wefts, make it this one thick piece, and you're going to do a regular braid with it. And then the trick here is to section off your hair so that you can clip it underneath, upside down, the side of your head. Basically like this. And then you're going to bring the braided tail over your head like this. And then just take some bobby pins and pin it, secure it underneath the other side. You can end off the look here and just leave your hair down in nice waves maybe, but for the holidays I always love a good updo, so what I'll just do is twist the rest of my hair into a low back bun, secure it with an elastic, maybe add a few more bobby pins, and that's it. Next up is a hairstyle that is so easy and takes such minimal effort, and it's mermaid waves. And I love this look because it kind of looks like a Parisian holiday look. It's a little bit different, something a little bit more unexpected, a little pop of summer in the holidays, and it's really easy. So all I do the night before is braid my hair into 2 or 3 braids. Then I'm gonna do the exact same thing to my Luxy Hair Extensions because I love making this look extra long and mermaidy. Here I'm using my chocolate brown halo set. I recommend spritzing your hair and your Luxys with a little bit of water before braiding. This way you will be sure to emphasize that crimp textured look, which I love. So then you just go to bed. Then when you wake up and you take out your braids, you have this beautiful mermaid crimp texture, and your hair is basically done. There's like no styling involved. You just have to clip in your Luxys or put in your Luxy halo and you are good to go. Something so easy to do and super festive looking is just taking a ribbon from like where you would buy regular gift wrap ribbon, and just adding it to one of your looks. So you could do a high ponytail and just wrap the ribbon around your elastic, or you could do a low ponytail, or you could do a half up, half down look, and it just instantly makes you look festive. Something that I've been seeing all over my Instagram feed, but I just think looks so cute and so festive and so appropriate for the holidays, is the 60s hairband look. So all I do for this is take a big round brush and blow dry my ends so it creates this like swoopy motion on the ends. So your hair is like this, very 60s. Just pop a pretty little headband on and that's it. Super easy. I love this look so much. It's so trendy and it's a little bit retro. Perfect for the holidays, and that's it. Okay, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and got some ideas of what to wear this holiday with your hair, especially if you don't have much time. Would love to know in the comments below which hairstyle was your favorite. Also, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to the Luxy Hair channel, and we'll see you guys next video. Bye!